In this lesson, you're going to learn how to solve two-step equations. So the first thing that you want to do is draw a line down your equal sign to separate your equation into two separate parts. Then you want to look and see if there's anything you can combine. So can you combine 2x with negative 8? No. And then you look and negative 28 is already by itself. So if there's nothing to combine, then you want to go ahead and read your equation starting with your variable. So in this case, your variable or your letter is x. And then read what's closest to the furthest. So the closest thing to x is 2, but your operation between them, remember, is multiplication. So you would read this as x times 2, and then minus 8. Then once you read and write it, work backwards to solve. So the opposite of minus 8 is add 8. So I want to cancel out my negative 8 by adding 8 to this side because you want to do opposite. So negative 28 plus 8 is going to give you negative 20. And then you have, bring down what's left. So you have 2 times x left. So this disappears. So then the next operation is times. So the opposite is division. So in order to cancel this out, I'm going to divide by 2. So then that will disappear. So then all I have left is x. And then negative 20 divided by 2 will give me negative 10. So my final answer is x equals negative 10. So then in my next example, start the same way. Draw your line down your equal sign. Look and see if anything can be combined. If not, read it starting with your variable. So in this case, your variable is k. And remember, this is division, so you would read it as k divided by 3. And then plus 6, and it's a positive 6. So once you write it out, work backwards. So the last operation that you read was plus 6. So do the opposite. So you're going to subtract 6. So I want to cancel out this. So I'm going to subtract 6 from this side. So then that crosses out. Bring this side down. So k divided by 3 equals 33 minus 6, which gives me 27. And then once that's gone, my next operation is division. So then the opposite is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply by the number that's after it, which is 3. So remember, change the operation, not your sign. So then if I want to cancel out the 3, it's division. I'm going to multiply by 3 on this side. So then that disappears. So I'm left with k equals 81. So then my final answer is k equals 81. I hope that helps.